Today, I'll show you how to use Asana and Google Calendar to schedule food pickup appointments. By the end of this walkthrough, your food pickup tasks in Asana will automatically show up in Google Calendar so you can see everything in one place and stay on top of each appointment. Let's start in Asana. Open your web browser and go to asana.com. If you aren't already signed in, log into your account the way you normally do. Once you're in, look for the project or board that you use to manage your food pickup appointments. In this example, that project is called Food Pickup. You'll usually find it in the sidebar on the left alongside your other projects. Next, locate the small drop-down arrow or menu icon next to the food pickup project name. This is typically to the right of the project title. Click that drop-down to open the project options. This menu is where Asana keeps a lot of useful tools, including the one we need to connect your tasks to Google Calendar. From the drop-down menu, look for the option labeled Export or Sync. The wording can vary slightly depending on your Asana view, but it will include export and usually mentions syncing. Click that option to open the export settings for your project. Within the export or sync options, you'll see different ways to share or connect the project. Find and click the one that says Google Calendar. What this actually does is generate a special calendar link, also known as an iCal URL, that Google Calendar can subscribe to. You're not exporting a one-time file, you're creating a live connection between Asana and your calendar. After you click Google Calendar, Asana will show you a link. This is the link that keeps your Google Calendar updated with changes from the food pickup project. Click the option that says Copy Link. Make sure the entire link is copied. You don't need to open it directly, just have it ready on your clipboard so you can paste it into Google Calendar. Now open a new tab in your browser and go to Google Calendar. Make sure you're signed into the Google account where you want these food pickup appointments to appear. If you manage multiple calendars, double check that you're in the right one before you continue. On the left side of Google Calendar, look for the section labeled Other Calendars. Right next to that label, you'll see a small plus icon. This is where you can add calendars from different sources. Click the plus icon beside Other Calendars to open the Add Calendar options. From the menu that appears, choose from URL. This tells Google Calendar that you want to add a calendar by pasting in a link. Instead of importing a file or searching public calendars, you'll now see a field where you can paste a URL. Click into that box and paste the link you copied from Asana. Take a moment to make sure there are no extra spaces before or after the link, since that can sometimes cause errors. Once the link is in place, click the button that says Add Calendar. Google Calendar will subscribe to the Asana feed and create a new calendar, usually named after your food pickup project. After a few moments, you should see your food pickup tasks appear on the calendar view, lined up with their due dates or times. From now on, whenever you add or update tasks in your food pickup project in Asana, those changes will sync over to Google Calendar, helping you keep your food pickup appointments organized and easy to manage.